What is going on, everybody? It's Corey from Cruise Reviews. Today I am in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm going to show you the Virgin Hotel. Let's get started. Let's talk about this room. I booked a standard king hotel room in the Canyon Tower. That's the oldest tower, the original, and they upgraded us to a standard king suite in the Canyon Tower, so we were very appreciative of that. The reason I got the upgrade, by the way, is because I am a Hilton Honors member, and this is a Hilton property, technically. So I was able to get a complimentary upgrade because of that. So that is a huge plus to this hotel. Now, as you can tell, the suite is beautiful. It's spacious, it's recently renovated, very clean, very quiet, and the bed and the pillows were fantastic. So as you can see, pretty standard suite, big size. I think it's almost 1,000 square feet, and I have absolutely no complaints about this room. Everything about it was fantastic, and it's exactly what you hope for in a hotel room when you go to Vegas. Funky, different, quirky, but also functional and quiet. And so as far as the cost goes, a standard room here is going to be roughly about $100 a night during the week, maybe $150 a night on the weekend. So again, great value. You are about a mile off the strip, but it's an easy Uber ride to go to the strip, go to different restaurants, go to the shows. And so if you are here for a weekend, this is a fantastic option for you. Let's talk about this pool. The pool is not nearly the size of some of the huge Vegas properties on the strip, but I thought the pool was adequate. I thought it was nice. It gets sun early in the day, which is nice. And they do have a day club, but it wasn't open during the week on the days I was there. So I say that to say I was really impressed with the outdoor space. There's a lot of room to move around, to have fun, to play some games. And I thought just the overall proximity, it doesn't take 10 minutes to get to the pool from your room. It's just a really easy property to get around. So for some of y'all, you do not like that huge property like the Venetian, where it takes forever to get anywhere. This is definitely a good option for you if that's the type of property you're looking for. Something smaller, but still has all the amenities that you want. In my opinion, if there was a drawback to this hotel, it would be the gaming, the gambling, the casino. I think it's just kind of a small casino. That is not really the focus of this place. Yes, they have a sports book. Yes, they have a casino with table games and the most modern slot machines. So if you are like just kind of a mild gambler, you're not coming to Vegas just to gamble, this is adequate. But if gambling is your focus, then you are probably going to be left wanting with this casino floor. Again, there's nothing inherently wrong about it, but just be aware that it's going to be the same kind of table minimums as what you get on the strip. So you are not getting a lot of value in terms of having lower cost machines, lower cost minimums. It's basically exactly like you are on the strip itself. So as we finish walking through the rest of the casino, you will notice that it is not very crowded. Now, this is like 9 a.m. on a Tuesday morning, but I did get in Monday night and it was not crowded then either. So I just want to call this out. This is really more of a weekend hotel. So if you're looking for action, if you're looking for energy, you're not going to get it from this hotel during the week. As a matter of fact, some of the restaurants don't even open on Monday and Tuesday. Like you have to wait until Wednesday until some of the main restaurants even open. So this place definitely caters to the long weekend crowd. It does not cater to people who are going to come here and stay for a week. By the way, sorry about the shaky video. I have a GoPro. That's what you're seeing here, but apparently the settings were off and the smooth feature definitely was not working. So sorry about that. So as we wrap up the casino level, let me give you what I think is the highlight of this hotel. the true highlight of the hotel is going to be the food. You have multiple celebrity chefs that have restaurants here. It's going to be easier to get reservations here than it would be at an on-strip hotel. And I think that is really the claim to fame of this place. The food that we had was fantastic. You'll see some video of a Mexican restaurant we ate at in just a few minutes. But I think that is the biggest draw of this place. Now, in closing, let me give you my final thoughts on who this place is really for. This place is for people who are here for a weekend. They don't care about walking up and down the strip a lot, and they care more about the experience of the pool and the nightlife and the dinner and drinks and things like that more than they care about the gambling. Gambling's just something you do for an hour to have a good time before dinner. This place is awesome. This place is also great for people who don't want a massive hotel. It's fairly similar in vibe, honestly, to the Cosmopolitan, but without that huge amount of casino gambling and without the huge crowds. So I'm sure this place gets a lot more crowded during the weekend, but still, I think this is a really good option if you're looking for that cool vibe without having to pay $400 a night like you're gonna have to pay at the Cosmopolitan. This place is definitely not for folks who are looking for that traditional Vegas style. And what I mean by that is, like, think the Bellagio or the Venetian, where it's huge, it's massive, it's opulent, but it's also that classic decor. If you're looking for that, you're not gonna get that. If you're also looking for like the gambling scene to be fantastic, you're not gonna get that here. But if you're looking for a great place for you and your friends to have a low expense outing, I think this is a really good option. And as you can see here, they've got some really cool bars, they've got some great coffee shops, and everything is extremely convenient. Nothing in this hotel is going to be more than 5 minutes from your hotel room, and that, for some people, is huge. So in summary, guys, I think this is an excellent option for most people. Again, if you only want 2 or 3 nights, it's perfect. You're going to have just enough restaurants and just enough things to do for 2 or 3 nights. If you're staying longer than that, then you'll either need to go off property and get an Uber to get to the strip, or you will need to consider a different hotel. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you find that you enjoy the video, please consider hitting that like button below. Just lets YouTube know that other people viewing Vegas videos might find this helpful as well. So until next time, guys, I'm Corey for Cruise Reviews, and I hope to catch you on the next video. Y'all take care.